Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Cartesia AI. In order to do so, here we are at Cartesia.ai, and what is Cartesia all about? It is the fastest, ultra-realistic voice AI platform powered by high-performance state-space model technology purpose-built for developers. And if we just scroll down here, perfect for real-time voice agents, best-in-class pronunciations, get complex phone numbers, addresses, and IDs right every single time. Low latency, Cartesia Sonic has the lowest latency of any AI voice model, meaning your voice agents can spend more time understanding, thinking, and acting on user inputs. Best-in-class AI voice cloning, leverage AI voice cloning and AI voice changing for high-fidelity, realistic voice replication with unmatched accuracy. Seamless integrations. You can integrate Cartesia with several different platforms: Twilio, Pipecast, LiveKit, or Raza. And if you're interested in getting started, you can start for free. And once you have logged in, that's going to bring you to this page. And you can see here we have text-to-speech, instant clone, pro voice clone, localize voice, voice changer, and design a voice. We've also got voice agents down here, and we've got a library of voices that you can use as well. And there's also narrations. So if you're interested in getting started with Cartesia, head over to Cartesia AI. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Also, check out our Discord. We're building a community there around AI animation. We'd love to have you. We're sharing projects, getting feedback. It's a great place if you're a small creator and you're looking for other people who are into AI animation and want to help you on your journey. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link tree in the description, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I can personally vouch for it. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.